OS College, tutorials about Office suites for Linux, Mac OS, Windows, and mobile devices. Adding a shortcut for a document allows you to create a convenient link to open a document in your Google Drive account. A shortcut for a document can be placed in numerous folders in case you need to open the document from several different locations, including local folders and computers that are linked to your Google Drive account. This video, from OS College, demonstrates how to create a shortcut for a document. It will use a document called alt bars for gravel bikes to show this. First, the video will demonstrate how to launch the shortcut dialog. Then it will show how to use the dialog. The dialog can either be launched directly through Google Drive, or it can be launched through a document open in Docs, Sheets, Slides, or Vids. For launching it in a document, simply click the File menu in Docs, Sheets, Slides, or Vids. Then click Add Shortcut to Drive. The dialog should now be open. To launch it from the list of documents in a folder in Google Drive, click the desired document. Then click the More Actions menu. The More Actions menu is the three-dot menu, and it is located to the far right of the document you selected, or it appears above the list of documents after you have clicked on the desired document. In the menu that appears, move your cursor down to the Organize item. A submenu appears with the Add Shortcut item in it. Click Add Shortcut to launch the dialog. The Add Shortcut dialog has three tabs: Suggested, Starred, and All Locations. The Suggested tab lists folders from your Google Drive account and local folders on any computer that is connected to your Google Drive account through the Google Drive app that is installed on it. The Start tab lists any folders that you have starred for easy access. It is the same list that is in the Start tab in the left column of Google Drive. All Locations lists My Drive, the folder where all your documents and folders in your Google Drive account are stored. It also lists any shared drives that your Google account is connected to, any computers that the Google Drive app is installed on and your account is connected to, and folders others with Google accounts have shared with you. To select the folder that you want to add a shortcut for the document to, simply click the Add button that appears when you highlight the desired folder with your cursor. There is also an Add button at the bottom of the dialog that becomes active when you click on the desired folder. If the desired folder is a subfolder, click the arrow to the right of the folder that contains the desired folder. As mentioned earlier in this video, a shortcut for a document can be placed in numerous folders. I will demonstrate this by adding a shortcut for alt bars for gravel bikes to the folder for blog articles and to the desktop on my MacBook. First, I highlight my drive and click the arrow at the right to enter the folder in order to access its subfolders. The folder I am interested in adding a shortcut to the document to is Blog Article Cycling Southpaw, so I highlight it with my cursor and click the Add button. After doing this, the dialog will close. Here is the shortcut to alt bars for gravel bikes in the Blog Articles folder. Now let me demonstrate making a shortcut on my MacBook's desktop. In the All Locations tab, I highlight Computers. Then I click the arrow to the right of it. I click the arrow to the right of my MacBook Pro. Then I click Desktop. Finally, I click the Add button at the bottom of the dialog. Here is the shortcut on the desktop of my MacBook. This video, from OS College, has been about creating a shortcut for a document in Google Drive. Thank you for watching. OS College has other videos about Google Drive and Google's Office applications on its website, oscollege.com, and on the OS College YouTube channel. The website and channel also contain videos about other Office suites and applications. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and you will receive notifications about other videos on this channel.